What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're taking a look at another watch face for your Tizen watches. That's your Gear S2, your Gear S3, and your Gear Sport. And this one is called YP Masters Gear M8. It'll run you $2 in the gear store. As always, there'll be a link in my description down below where you can purchase it. But let's go ahead and take a look at YP Masters 8 together. So this watch face has some nice rotating gears, as you can see there. They definitely make this feel like it's a mechanical watch in my opinion, or it's just something cool that I like to look at personally, but that's just me. And everything here is really high quality in terms of graphics and whatnot. Everything is really smooth and works really nicely together. It's definitely a good looking watch face. Starting at the top here, you have your step counter. Then you also have your time down here, and this time is in 24-hour format. Looking down at the bottom, you have your day of the week as well as your date, and then over here you have your battery level. Now there are a few shortcuts built into this watch face, so if you click up here on your steps, that'll bring up your step counter, and then if you click on the actual time, that brings up your weather, which is a nice touch there. Clicking on the date of the week will bring up your calendar, and then tapping on the battery brings up your settings. So it's a really nice looking watch face. It definitely is high quality, and if you notice, there is a gyro there. So if you notice on the watch, there is kind of a shine there. Just take a look. It's down by the 6 o'clock position, and it just rotates around. Really a nice touch for a watch face. This is what the always on display looks like. And then of course, touching the watch face brings everything back to life. I also reviewed another mechanical gear watch face from YP, so definitely check that out. I'll leave that link in my description below, as well as in this card that just popped up. But as always guys, I definitely appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.